Hello everyone, I am Aradhu Mukherjee studying in class 7 of JRS Public School. So for the first time our school is organizing an activity of Fireless Cooking. We will be having 5 items which are cold coffee, vegetable salad, fruit salad, sandwich making and biscuit decoration. And these items will be selected by the lottery system. So I am very glad and I will be very thankful to JRSPS for giving us this kind of opportunity, and we are the first ones to get the experience of such an activity in JRSPS. Thank you.
Please collect. You all are looking so expert. लगता है अगले साल मास्टर शेफ ऑफ इंडिया यहाँ से ही जाएगा. Students, what are you doing? Oh, it's so excited you people are. You are looking like you know how to make. So are you happy with your items?
Sir, we are very happy to be the first
Chalo, best of luck. Group A, your topic is cold coffee. What is your group name, students? And your item name? So are you happy with after getting your item name? Are you enjoying? Okay, group C. Okay, what are you doing? Vegetable salad. So how you got your items? You have choose from your house? You got the? How you got the items? Okay. So are you, while you are preparing your salad, are you practice at your home? So you never do it, but I can see that you people are doing a very good job. Very nice, very nice. Keep it up. Sure. Okay, your group name? D. Your item names? Okay, so you know how to make the sandwich? Okay, it's looking like we can see that you are quite expert to making the sandwich, and your items are so delicious. Okay, so we are just waiting for your after preparation your food. So are you excited? Sure. Are you enjoying? You are looking so.
Thank you.
You are in group? Acha, what are you preparing? Biscuit. So biscuit you can buy and you can have it. Okay. It's a nice thing. Chalo. So are you enjoying your preparation? Okay. So are you happy with your item? How you got this item?